everyone, welcome to Carol's Art Room. In today's video, I'm going to do, I don't know if you call it a bloom swipe, but a spiral swipe. I'm going to swipe and I'm going to spin the paint with my bloom paint. I think I'll just put it down in puddles and then give it a try. So stick around and come and see how I do it. Welcome everybody. I am going to do a swirl swipe, I guess you would call it. I'm going to, or a spin swipe, maybe that's a better word. It's my white house paint. And I'm going to lay down some paints, and then I'm going to swirl cell activator over top of them. I did one earlier, but my puddle colors wasn't big enough, so I'll try it one more time. This is just a 6x6 tile. All right, let's try this again. So this is a silver. And I'm almost out of it because I've done so many scrapes and different ones today, but I'll use it up. This is called a Modern Masters metallic paint. I bought this at Michael's. It's one I haven't seen before, so I thought I would try it. Seems to be nice. All right. Okay, so now I will put the darker colors on the bottom. I'm gonna swipe it with black, so now I use some sky blue. This is a pigment. I'm gonna put some more water in it. These are just my paints that are mixed with my pouring medium that's in the description below the video, my bloom pouring medium. I'm sure you could do this technique with paints with Floetrol in it, but the cell activator has Australian Floetrol in it, so you could try a different one if you don't have it. I have a couple in my description under the video. I'm going to use up this, oh, there's hardly any of this left. It's barely even worth putting on. It's a little bit of a twinkle. I gotta make some more of that. Okay, so now what? This is a Pebeo blue velvet. Blue violet, I should say. This one's getting low. To make a new one. Okay. Now I got some Pebeo blue-green. Green-blue. Well, I really got a lot of paint on here today. For this one, anyway. I hope it works. Okay, that's good. Okay. I wonder if I should use a bigger spatula. I have a bigger one. I think I'll try my bigger one now, because I have more paint down, so putting it on my spatula. Okay, I just hope this is enough. Oh, that worked better. that's pretty. Okay, so now I will spin it. This is my Pebeo pink. It's done anyway, so you may as well throw that one out. They just keep growing, those cells. That's pretty. Look at those tiny cells there. I'll hold it up for you. Now when I spin this, these are going to grow. Whoa, look at that. Well, that's it. I don't want to spin it anymore because I'm losing everything off the side. Oh, I'd like to play around with this technique some more. Okay, I'm going to leave this now. I hope you like it. I'm going to get a bigger canvas and try this. A little bigger anyway. This is my last tile that I have. And I don't have any more. It's awesome, isn't it? Okay, give it a whirl. I thought it was going to be harder than it was, but it wasn't too bad. So I'm glad you came by for this one, and have a good day, everyone. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell for notifications so that when I do a new video, you'll get notified. And it doesn't cost a dime. It's free, free, free. Subscribing, hitting the bell, all that stuff. Free videos. And it helps me when you subscribe and like and watch. See you in my next video. Bye. Hi everyone. Here is my Swirl bloom. With the bloom paints. I guess it's a swirl swipe. Look at all those pretty colors. I love it. Have a good day, everyone. Bye-bye.